2 hash browns. Thank you so much. Damn. Alright guys, we are here at the skate park, and usually I start my days off with some flat ground tricks, just practice my basics, but lately I've been getting kind of bored of that, kind of tired of it, and I know that you guys have seen me practice my flat ground tricks time and time again, so I think it's time to switch it up. I think it's time to do something a little different, and today we are here at Duck Creek Skate Park, and this park is really cool because it's kind of like a pump track where all the obstacles kind of just flow into each other and you kind of just go around in a big circle. Another thing you can do is just go straight through the middle, pump over the pyramid, and then just air out on the other side, and it should be a lot of fun. This isn't my normal type of skating, so I might not be the best. I'm not the best skater ever, but you don't get good without practice, so. Alright guys, I never skate transition, so I'm gonna try to air out and land right here. I've never done this before. I don't have any friends to show me how to do it, so we're gonna try it and see how it goes. We're probably not gonna get much air, but we're gonna try, alright? We're gonna try. Honestly, I'm pretty mid at skateboarding. There are a ton of skateboarders out there who deserve way more recognition than I do, and who deserve way more subscribers for how gnarly they are and how good they are at skateboarding, and I don't know if I can or even want to keep up with that, but let's be real. I don't have to be an amazing skater to be respected by you guys, and I don't have to throw a super heavy trick down a super fat stair gap just to earn your recognition, your respect. And I don't really think that's my style anyway. It's not really my thing. I think the more important thing is just to be authentic with you guys, to share my journey, bring you guys along and share my story, my process, my ups and downs, and just to be authentic and true. And I think that matters more as a creator than just to be super good at skateboarding or to just be the gnarliest skater ever. I think what matters more is the authenticity and the personality in front of the camera. So let me know what you guys think. So I made a decision, and that is, I'm not gonna try to be the most phenomenal skater here on YouTube, and I'm not gonna try to compete with any other skate creator or any other channel, but instead, what I'm going to try to do is try to teach as many people as I possibly can how to skateboard, try to motivate, inspire you guys, and try to give you guys everything that you need to learn how to skateboard. Give you guys the tutorials, give you guys answers to the questions that you guys need, and everything in between, because skateboarding can be so much fun, especially when you see all these people do all these super cool tricks, but it's not fun when you don't know how to use the dang thing and you just kick the board around and you can't land anything. So this is a start to me putting out a lot more longer form tutorials, more in-depth, detailed videos, and just all around a lot more help to get you guys started and to get you guys going on your skateboard. And yeah, I think that if I can help at least just one person start their skate journey and then eventually become a phenomenal skater or even a pro skater, that would make me feel infinitely more happier than if I were to go pro myself. And I think that my goal in the future of this channel is going to be to motivate and to push you guys to become even better skaters than I am, to give you guys the foundation, the tutorials, the basics, to be able to do whatever that you guys want to do, to be able to hit the fat stair sets or the hardest tricks that you can. But it's going to start with the basic tutorials and the foundations right here from this channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are excited for the journey. I know that I am. A lot more content is going to be made. So until next time, peace out.